Is your company's success directly reliant upon properly functioning computer systems and networking? Does your system work perfectly, or perhaps do you have some issues? The most common problems companies are facing nowadays are frequent downtime. Facing downtime is one of the most common signs that should tell you it's time to move on to your new MSP. Sometimes it's not even about how many times you face downtime, but instead, it's about how your partner reacts to the mishap. Many people have issues with missed daily backups. The safety of your data shouldn't cost your company and shouldn't affect your employees, clients, vendors, and income, provided that you have a proper MSP. IT system optimization simply isn't optimized enough. Having a system that will allow you and your team of employees to complete the given tasks and clear the workload promptly and as efficiently as possible is crucial to your business's growth and existence. Bad communication. Having lousy communication with your MSP is like being in a toxic relationship. In such cases, the partnership isn't doing good to anyone. It will only result in new problems, such as flawed IT system performance, data loss, a decline in income and productivity, and many more. Slow response time. Does it feel like waiting an eternity to have your problem fixed? A sign that's often overlooked is the time it takes your MSP to answer your team's tickets and the time it took to solve the ticket. Recognizing your business vision. Do they know what your company wants to achieve? Partnering up with an MSP that recognizes your business is crucial. It allows them to prepare for your future projects in advance, optimizing your expenses, improving productivity, and upping your profit. Understanding your business. Do they understand your business? If you want to receive software and hardware recommendations from your MSP, you must make sure that you partner up with a provider that understands what your company is dealing with. Undesirable pricing. Are they worth the money you're paying them? Pricing is one of the factors that you shouldn't take into the equation when choosing an MSP. If a provider has sky-high fees for their services, this doesn't mean that they'll do a good job. Are you facing bad customer service? Is your MSP's customer service unresponsive at times and even useless when you need them the most? Even if your customer service responds on time, ask yourself whether they generally want to help you or they're looking at pre-written scripted lines that don't do much in solving your problem. Reactive MSP. Are they following the latest trends? Are they thinking about changes? Ask yourself, is your MSP reactive or proactive? If they're former, it only means that they're waiting for a problem to come up instead of preventing them in advance.